Gracias. Here is my mom here. Okay. Aquí estoy. Ok. Washington. Puerta 130. Here. In my lesson. Gate 130. My flight. For today. Today we'll be right on the 737 MAX 9. So yeah. Okay, so we just arrived here in Panama City. That we just arrived from Lima, Peru for flight 338. And for now, I'm gonna be taking my flight. I'm going to take my flight 443 to Washington. And today for later, we'll be right on the Boeing 737 MAX 9. This time in this year, 2026, we'll be right on the Boeing 737 MAX 9. I'm departed at 9:11 a.m. and I will arrive at 3:00 p.m. Destination weather 50 degrees Fahrenheit, low than 30 degrees Fahrenheit. And I don't know for about Celsius. So my gate's 130, so there's not boarding yet. So goes to the gates, bags pointed on Terminal 1 and 2. So I will see you on the departure gate. And to say I will wait 3 hours before boarding, like that. So I will see you in departure gate. So I'll see you in my clip about departure gate. And to say 3 hours before boarding. Here we go. Before recording for about a clip about for departure gate, I need to first record that we're walking to meet with my mom to my gate to the gate number. And yeah, so this time, yeah. Oh my god. Gate 146 and 2. Just close it. Follow the gate and follow the terminal. Yeah. So yeah. Alright, I will see you in my clip of our departure gate that we are. Right. Alright. We're here. I'm here. Gate 130 here. So for now, I will be wait 2 hours over 3 hours. So I will be wait 3/2 hours before boarding. So enjoy maybe now for the boarding time. First thing I need to do is to demonstrate guys about the security that they do in the security, and after that the boarding. So we'll wait 2 hours for security and the boarding. Here we go. Okay, so as you can see, right now we're gonna be entering here on this security before the boarding time. You know, flight to U.S., Canada, and Mexico, you need to enter here on this security before boarding. As you can see, preferred members, business class, Copa Airlines. Check for you anything items here before entering the security. So yeah, there are 3 optional flights to U.S., Canada, or Mexico. You need to go and enter using here on the security. This is here right here in the departure gate. So this is how it looks like in security like that. 2 spaces for security. So for now, enjoy the boarding time. Here we go. Virginia, here we go! Today we'll be right on the Boeing 737 MAX 9 for today. Let's go! This is the 737 MAX 9 for today. We'll be right on the Boeing 737 MAX 9. Let's go! It's one of the Dreamline new 737. Alright. Here. So my seat for today is on 6F right there. So okay, my seat's right here, 6F. Let's go and sit. No Inflight flight entertainment, nothing. It's off the screen. Alright, we're here. You can see the airplane over there. Alright, now we're here. Time for takeoff departure. Hora de despegue. Hora do decollage. Hora do decollage. Enjoy the takeoff departure. Disfrute el video sobre el despegue. Disfrute para video ou decolar, decolar em video. Alright, here we go. retard. Minibus. We are here, Washington Dallas Airport. We're here, Washington Dallas Airport, Virginia. My spring break today. Oh, very well.
Bienvenidos a Washington. Welcome to Washington City.
Shut up. Minibus.
La hora local, 2:49 p.m. The local time, 49 minutes past
Here.
2 in the afternoon.
Yay.
Permanezcan sentados con el cinturón de seguridad abrochado y todas sus pertenencias guardadas hasta que la señal de abrocharse los cinturones sea apagada. Tomen precaución al abrir los compartimientos superiores ya que el contenido se pudo desplazar durante el vuelo. Recuerden revisar los bolsillos de sus asientos. Gracias por volar con Copa Airlines, miembro de la red Star Alliance. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and all your belongings stowed until the fastest seatbelt sign is turned off. Taking and opening the operating compartment as the content may have fuel during the flight. Remember to check your seat pocket. Thank you for flying Copa Airlines, member of the Star Alliance network.
Right. Here. As you can see, guys, these are terminals. Terminal A here. Terminal A gates here. Disembark here. We'll be disembarking there in the gate A24 right there. Gates A19 is over there and the gate A15 over there, but you're not gonna see it because it is inside the terminal, not outside. I don't see it. I don't see the gate A19, A15, and A15. A19 and the gate A15. Anyway, so this is the Terminal A gates. These are Terminal A, and over there Terminal B. You're not gonna see. And there's mobile stream waiting us. So we'll go into the immigration and U.S. Customs and border protection. All right, we're now here. Here will be this there. A24. Copa Airlines 443 from Panama City. Over there, Terminal C gate, right there, over there. And also Terminal 2. So yeah. Yeah, we're stuck. Completely stuck. Cross-check complete. Camera clear. Cross-check complete. Cross-check complete. Cross-check complete. Now clip it up. I'll disembark here. Here we go. Llegamos. Bueno, pues ya me voy a desembarcar. Adiós. It's time for disembarking. Let's go. Let's go. Muchas gracias. There we go. Sorry. Yeah. Here we go. Disembarking time. Oh. Oh no, frío. No, es pelear importa. Hacia migración to the U.S. Customs. Here I can take the picture. There's a time. There. I need to take a picture again. There we go. Yendo hacia migración. Heading to the U.S. Customs immigration. Look at that. Nothing to Houston. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god, look at the people here before boarding for flight 444. So yeah. So for now, we're going to the Mobilis train. Mira, look, there's a United States flag. Está la bandera de Estados Unidos, qué bien, woo. Llegué. Bienvenida a Estados Unidos de América. Alright, we need to take that to the U.S. Customs Border Protection. So I will see you on immigration. So, see ya. Bienvenida a Estados Unidos. Welcome to the United States. Bienvenido a Estados Unidos. Alright, let's go. Here, over there. So I'm going to enter in the U.S. citizens line because I am a citizen. I am a U.S. citizen. I am not visitor. I am a U.S. citizen. Camila, aquí es donde puedes entrar aquí inmigración, ¿ok? Tú y yo vamos a estar aquí inmigración, Camila, ¿ok? Tú, Camila, vas a estar ahí en ese donde dice visitor, visitante. Yo voy a entrar ahí en U.S. citizen, ¿ok? Así vamos a ser, ¿ok, Camila? Para el mes de septiembre en octubre, ¿ok? POV, Camila y yo aquí en migración en Estados Unidos en el aeropuerto. Claro. So I'm going to enter here. You are entering, you are a citizen. Welcome. Welcome to the United States. Oh, I mean, welcome back. Thank you. Lots of people there over there in immigration. And we cannot record here immigration because, you know, it's very dangerous to record here inside of immigration. It looks like a police station, but this is not a police station. This is an immigration in here at the airport. So now for the final clip video, it's the baggage claim. So now for the video, the baggage claim. Pick up my bag. See ya. Tú, Camila, ahí y yo acá, ¿ok? Claro. Alright, if you'd be the baggage claim. See ya. There. That thing on the left. Right here, the last one. There. Our flight that we just landed. Copa Airlines from Panama City. Flight 443. Confirm arrival. The baggage that will be picked up, it's in the carousel number 20, so let's go. So let's go to the carousel number 20 and waiting the bags. They're loading the bags before come to all bags in here in the carousel's baggage claim. Let's go. This is the carousel number 19. Where is the also the whatever the carousel number 19? It was the carousel number 19 about for Avianca from Bogota. Here in the carousel number 19, but this is not. Okay, we're here. So right now they arrived the bag, so I'm gonna be waiting for my bag. And so I'm going to leave. So I'm going to leave to my home. and to complete my stuff, my room in my house. So I'm gonna break my bag and I'm gonna leave. So I'm gonna leave. Welcome to Dallas International. I'm waiting for my bag. The carriage is now on. Baggage are arriving here. Alright, so thank you so much and happy spring break. Thank you so much and have a great day and happy spring break. Thank you so much and have a great day and happy spring break.